Welcome to Phase 2, the socio-technical blueprint for hospitality. This video focuses on orchestrating regenerative events, hybrid ecosystems, and reskilling human talent in the immersive experience economy. We are moving from siloed optimization to systemic value creation. Phase 1 focused on net zero and transactional staff within standalone assets. Phase 2 shifts to net positive, with experience orchestrators in hybrid ecosystems, utilizing AI-native orchestration. The regenerative imperative moves beyond simply doing no harm. This net positive activation curve shows the journey from degenerative practices to sustainable net zero, and finally, to regenerative net positive, focused on healing and ecological yield. The asset acts as a living node, generating a regenerative ecosystem ripple. Inputs like local sourcing and community well-being result in outputs such as community wealth generation, ecological restoration, and resilient local supply chains. The twin transition harnesses digital technology to power green initiatives. Key technologies include digital twins for optimizing energy flows and IoT ambient energy controls. This transition requires human-led governance to ensure digital expansion accelerates environmental repair. We are rebuilding the floor plan, shifting from event planning to meeting architecture. The design includes the participation plaza for active engagement, the architecture core for structural engineering, and the BLT sandwich zone for profitability, focusing on brand, lead, and thought. The engine room is where socio-technical systems integrate. Generalist LLMs feed into specialized AI, driving outcomes through a translation layer of transformation theories, including socio-technical systems, resource-based view, and service-dominant logic. The core law of Phase 2 is socio-technical equilibrium. It balances the frictionless machine, providing scale and intelligence, with the high-touch human, focusing on advanced emotional intelligence and authentic connection. Technology removes friction, so humans can deliver immersive empathy. Reallocating work divides labor between machine and human. The AI and robotics domain handles high-frequency, repetitive, and data-heavy logistical tasks. The human domain focuses on complex problem-solving, high-touch empathy, and contextual judgment, leading to reduced repetitive task time. The global hospitality industry will need 460 million employees in the next decade. The Phase 2 mandate requires a structural transformation away from rigid hierarchies towards flatter structures, prioritizing purpose, inclusion, and well-being to attract modern talent. The role shifts from the transactional worker who is task-based and executes checklists to the experience orchestrator. This new role is consultative, purpose-driven, manages the holistic guest journey, and is valued by the creation of trust and emotional memory. The structural shift in skill architecture emphasizes both technical aptitude and human empathy. Key skills include system fluency, data-informed judgment, experience orchestration, and advanced emotional intelligence. The integrated value creation loop connects three elements: the AI-native engine for automation and optimization, the reskilled human talent applying system fluency and EQ, and the regenerative ecosystem connecting guests to local heritage and driving net positive wealth. The ultimate output is the immersive experience economy. As consumers shift focus from possessions to experiences, hospitality is perfectly positioned to lead. The future is high-tech, high-touch, and net positive, powered by human connection within a regenerative ecosystem.